video. So this video is a life hack. This video is a life hack video, and today I'm going to be showing you. I feel like a British man, and I'm going to show you how to hack a vending machine 2 ways. Okay, so the first way, I really need to stop. My life sucks. Okay, so the first, kill me. So the first way is how to get free change from a vending machine. I have a paper right here just to not forget about the things. And this only works on food, like food vending machine, like snack vending machines, which I call them vendies. And this vendy has to have a number keypad. If it doesn't, this is not going to work at all. Because this includes the numbers, like, yeah, big time. Alright, so what you're going to want to type into the numbers, the keypad, let's just say keypad. What you're going to want to type into the keypad is 4, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. I'll be typing it onto the screen so you guys can see it. And if you're like, I don't know, freaking Spanish or Turkish. It's like all the languages I know. No, it's not. If you made it this far in the video, comment hashtag hammer. Okay. And then after you do that one code, you have to hold the change button for 5 seconds. I mean, I haven't tried this yet, but I think it's going to work. So if you guys want to try this, you guys can try it. Just hold the 5, totally the 5. Hold the change button for 5 seconds. I'm horrible at YouTube. Kill me. Right, next life hack for the vendy. So how to get free food. Oh, he's going over to my neighbor's house. Okay. So this is how you get free snacks from the vendies. This also has to be a keypad. This also has to be a keypad. I really need to stop repeating things. And what you're going to want to type in is 5727 431. I'll type it on the screen if you can't understand me. So yeah, those are nice English, Tim. Okay. So, yeah, that was the video, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down here. Okay. 5 likes on this video. And I don't know. I'll do a backflip on my couch. 5 likes. I'll teach you how to do a backflip on a couch. Subscribe if you're new. Stop talking, old man. What the heck? So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!